too close to me. I can't see any of that. What? I don't see any of those kicks because you're under the camera when you're doing it. You're better off staying back on the blanket and doing it. I'd see more of it. Play. Hey, Zachary.